Good morning and welcome back to Chi-Chi's Garage. It's Father's Day edition. I don't know what you're doing, but I'm cleaning up my mess. So I'll just show you here real quick. I got most of the stuff. You got me. It's not. I know. Calm down. It's not totally done and organized yet. Everybody knows how good I am at that. It got late last night. And I was tired. And I had to have a Snickers. It's healthy. It's got almonds in it. So, anyway, so this is what I got going in here. Making use of that space. And, you would think, Chi-Chi, how many barns does a guy need? Well, I kind of need another one. Because I got stuff that is my wife's in the city that needs to come here. And I don't know where it's all going to go. That's going to get tricky. But anyway, that's down the road for a little bit. But today I am going to attempt to clean all this up. And if you watched the last video of me ramming this tree, I literally didn't care if I broke branches. See, I have a cone there. See the safety cone? I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Safety cone was deployed. And look. This was all that came off that tree. So if you're worried about the tree getting harmed, tree huggers, whoever you are, it looks great. So, yeah, it survived. So I'm going to get this graded up. And, let's see if anybody took some of my stuff. Yeah, they did. So there was a little cart and a sink. Why they left those tires, I have no idea. Look at those, guys. Those are good tires. What size are these things? 235. What? 85 16s. Somebody come get those. Don't take the chair there. It's holding my sign. It says free. Alright, so hang with me. I'm going to get grading this. Some of that gravel that's in the bottom of this thing is, they call it fines or minus. I'm going to try to scoop a little bit of that. I use that in the base of my retaining walls when I build those. So I think I'm going to put a little pile of that down there by the barn for now until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. And let's see if I can get this cleaned up and put appeal in curb appeal. This should take about 5 minutes. Hang on. Daddy's gonna teach you something. That's a full bucket right there. See, that's full. So you don't mess around with like a half bucket or jack around with maybe even just a little bit of, it's gotta be full. It has to be full. So if you're on a job site and somebody's yelling at you, get off, just get off the machine. It's because your buckets are half full and you're wasting time. So hopefully you learned something. All right, that's it. It is, what time is it? Right there on the phone. That's my son, Tyler. He put that on there. Anyway, he's a suck up and he's not here. It's Father's Day. But he's coming. He's in church and I'd rather have him in church than missing church. Because we love church and we love the Lord. And, right now, though, my ox is in the ditch, and I gotta get him out. So anyway, I actually graded this in reverse. Usually, I preach, do your edges, and work your way out. But this still has a big, huge hump in the middle of it, and I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it out with this machine. I think for Father's Day I want a skid steer. Track loader would be nice, but they're like $70,000 right now. So I don't see that happening at all. So if anybody out there has a skid steer, skid loader, something about 60 or 80 horsepower for around 15 or 20 grand. I know, that's funny, right? That's hilarious, right? Yeah. And it needs to run. Oh, even funnier. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I gotta get this hump down. And that hump needs to come down and needs to go back there in that corner because there's a low spot. And we gotta get that water to come out. But gently, so it doesn't flood my beautiful barn, she shed, whatever that thing is down there. Machine shed, I don't know. I think machine sheds are usually like a lean-to with an open, that you just park the stuff in there. I don't know. Somebody correct me in the comments, but it's muddy. I mean, yeah, you can't lay sod on it. I'm not a Kevin. I worked for the Kevins and let's just say they were desperate. But anyway, I'm going to get those blocks out of here, kind of clean up all that junk, those barrels, and then I'm going to cut the grass. Maybe I'll Facebook skid steers today. if somebody's got 20 grand laying around. What is that? What is that page where they send you money? GoFundMe. Right. All right. We're out here. Happy Father's Day to everybody. You gotta admit it looks better, and the wife's gonna be happy, and that's all we want in life, is for our wives to be happy, 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 happy. As the late, what's his name? Roberts from Duck Dynasty. You know who I'm talking about. Not Cy, but he just. I hate it that I can't remember stuff, but anyway, if I forget your birthday, you know why. But anyway, we're out of here, and we'll catch you on the next one.